Good morning, student. Today we are going to study a very important topic that is called realization of assets. My dear student, in the realization of assets, what is the meaning of realization of assets? First, you have to understand realization of assets means you are going to sell the assets because the business is going to be closed. Why? Whatever. And second thing, it can be happen. What is the first? Is that when the assets are sold, it means assets is going to be sell in whatever the value decided by market. Second, when the assets are taken by partner, it may be happen, my dear student, that some partner agree that they want to take some particular assets. Okay, so what will, and the third situation is that when the assets are given to any, when the assets are given to any creditors towards the payment due. Suppose if you want to pay any creditor in the form of any assets, so what is the accounting treatment? And here it is called for settlement of liabilities. Settlement of liabilities means you are going to pay the liabilities. So liabilities can be paid in the payment in the form of bank or cash, and it may be happen if any partner wants to undertake and settle the liability. So we are going to know today what are the accounting treatment of the assets are sold taken by partner. The first is that simple, when any asset sold, so what will happen? Cash comes in your business, okay, but don't write name of the assets. Write down, you have to write down the first cash account debited to realization account. Okay, put the narration assets sold rupees, whatever the rupees given in the question. Okay, it is the narration. In place of cash, you can also write bank account. Okay. The second, where the assets are taken by partner. Any partner who wants to take the assets. So in place of cash, you can write the name of the partner. So second, you have to write name of the partner. I am writing here partners capital account debited to realization account. Okay, debit and credit. Put the narration here. What is the narration? Assets taken by partner. Okay, simple. This is the narration. What is the third? The third situation is what? What is student? When any creditors are going to pay in the form of assets, there will be no entry. It means in this situation, no entry will be passed. No entry will be passed because the payment made by creditor in the form of assets. So you have to write the narration assets are given to creditor. Okay, simple. Now come to the liabilities. My dear student, what happened in the liabilities? Liability is going to pay. Liability is going to pay in the form of cash or bank. So the first entry is written here that realization account in the first situation, realization account debited to concerned liability, you can also write. Okay, but you are going to pay the liability in the form of cash or when. It is correct. You put the narration being liability paid rupees, whatever the rupees given in the question. What happened when any partner who agree, to pay the liabilities? So what will be the entry? We put it here. The second entry, realization account debited to name of the partner. You can also name that concerned partner, partners capital account. So put the narration, liability paid by partner. So you put the name of the partner here. So once we have to recall this situation, my dear student, when assets sold, you have to put this entry, cash account debited to realization account. When any assets taken by partner, so name of the partner's capital account debited to realization account. If any payment to the creditor in the form of assets, it means no entry. Regarding the settlement of liabilities, settlement of liability means the firm is going to pay all the liabilities. So there are two options: either they pay in the form of the cash or in the form of the settlement of the any partner. So realization account debited to cash or bank account when the liability is paid in the form of cash or bank. When any partner who agrees to pay the liability, realization account debited to partner's capital account. My dear student, it is very important to settlement of this account. Whatever is mentioned in the question, you have to know. You have no need to become a confusion regarding this topic. So we have to create this situation. It is given in the question in the additional information, who is going to take the assets, whatever the assets. One thing I am going to tell very clearly, my dear student, that suppose in the question is nothing is mentioned regarding any assets, whatever the value is sell, so you no need to make any entry, because we have to assume that assets are going to transferred, but assets are not going to sold, because there is no information given in the additional information. But it is just a reverse in the liabilities. If there is no information in the additional information, it means it will be going to be paid. Okay. So I hope, my dear student, you understand this topic and make your concept clear. Okay. Thank you.